सर आयज तुमचो 6th डे कॅम्पिंगेचो सेव कोमनिदाद सेव गोवा कितें सांगपाचें दिसता?
Good morning, everybody. Today is our last day, 6th day, and we are today concluding the Save Goa, Save Comunidad, Save Goa campaign of joining the North, Central, and South Zone. It has been a great experience with everybody's support, and everybody came forward to make it a grand success. The list is very, very long to thank each one personally, but I have to thank one particular person who I cannot miss out on, and without whose help I would have not been able to organize this 6-day linkage campaign, and that is my good friend Sebi Menezes, attorney of Santistev Comunidad. What we have noticed is that every single Comunidad wants to come forward to solve all the problems that they have, and they also want to support with advice and all the things that they have managed to put in place. So it is a great beginning, and I am very proud to tell you that hardly a month ago we started. Of course you have to start from number 1, but today within a month nearly 90 Comunidades, that is 89 Comunidades, have joined us, and our association of 89 Comunidades has very, very actively participated in this campaign. I thank each and every one of them. Today we are in front of our main seat, that is our Central Zone Administrators building, and we are very proud that the Comunidad administration and everybody else involved, including the government and so on, everybody is putting their best foot forward to revive the Comunidades, to preserve and restore them to their original glory. Thank you very much.
My name is Mr. Leocario Monteiro, and I am the member of the Matricula de Janeiro, the Gaoncas of Bambolim Comunidad. Today, whatever I am going to speak in front of the Church of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception, where I have got a full faith and full trust. Wherever we have done this demo, I think we are going to get a good result as far as the Comunidades are concerned, which people of Goa were not aware about this awareness. So today, I, Pramod Sawant, have taken a decision for regularizing all the illegal structures, where I have given in the name of our Bambolim Comunidad to the letter to the President and to the Chief Minister for taking the back step for regularizing the Comunidad, because he has no power to take decision for regularizing the illegal structure. And I am going to submit this copy to the President of Save Goa in front of all the Gaoncas Association, one copy, and one copy I am going to submit to the press to give it to everybody as a witness where I am in with full faith. Second, okay. Second,
सोमेस्ताक देव बरो दीस दिवं. तुम्ही जाणा आसतले थोड्या दिसांनी गव्हर्मेंट एक स्ट्रक्चर्स इलिगल स्ट्रक्चर रेगुलरायज करपाक एक बील असेंब्लीन हाडपाचें आसा, आनी तेजेर निशेध मारपाक आमी सगळे हांगासर जमले. आमी म्हणोना ऑन कंपॅशनेट ग्रावंड लिगलायज करूं येता स्ट्रक्चर, पुणी तेका ड्यू प्रोसेस फॉलो करूंक जाय, आनी तें करपाक कोमुनिदाद मॅनेजींग कमिटी आनी जनरल बॉडी आसा तांच्यांनी तें करूं येता. आमी कितें म्हणटा, गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन जायतें लँड आसा तांचें, तांणी त्या आपणाच्या लँडाक कोण भुमिपुत्र आहा हे एका कोणाक स्ट्रक्चर्स बांदून दिवपाचे जर तांकां खोशी आसा तांच्यांनी थिंगासर बांदून तांकां दिवं येता, रिहॅबिलिटेशन करूं येता तांकां. कित्याक आमचे कंपोनंट्स गांवकारूय जायते होमलेस आहा आनी धाकट्या रुमांनी रावता. सो आमचें एस्पिरेशन आसा तांकां कितें तरी हावसींग प्रोवायड करपाक. सो हांव सोमेस्ताक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sukun Menezes, attorney at Comunidad de Zua, Santistev. We have come under a banner of Save Comunidad, Save Goa. The purpose of this was to unite all the communities all over Goa. And I'm happy to report that we have about 81 confirmed members and balance about 89, total 89 will be confirmed soon. We strongly oppose the proposed bill in the Goa Assembly regarding the encroachments, regularization of encroachments on the Comunidad lands. Comunidades are independent bodies and each independent body has to take its own decision. Government cannot bulldoze the regularization of illegal encroachments without the say of the comunidades in particular. Each comunidad has to agree to what the government has to propose. A simple bill, bringing up a bill like this in the assembly should be reconsidered. It should not be taken up. I believe all the representatives of people, the MLAs of particular areas, will consider that private lands like Comunidad cannot be used for any other purpose except for the purpose they are defined. Thank you once and for all.
आता आम्ही सगळे